Hey guys, this is the latest project I've been working on. It's a solenoid engine. I built this out of scrap, of course. This wood is from Chinese fireworks. Also, the axis is made out of Chinese fireworks like this. It's very bendable, so that's very good material to work with. Let's see. The flywheel is made out of the inside of an old hard disk drive, a mini one. I think 3.5 inch. So let's fire this thing up. This is 11 volts. There we go. That's it. I've perfected it with a little straw to connect, to make the connection here. So let's power it up to 12, 12.1, 12.7. I'm going down. This is 11.7, 10.0. Let's keep it that way. Let's see. And this is the little switch to go off. That's it, guys. Captain Prototype signing off. See you next time.